So we are starting surface area and volumes, first exercise of NCERT. Okay. So this is about plastic boxes there. This is like cuboid, right? So this is your length, breadth, and height. But children, if you see here, length is in 1.5 meters, breadth is in 1.25 meter, and height is in centimeter. So first of all, you have to make everything into same dimension. Okay, either all in centimeter or all in meters. So if here meter is given, just try to convert everything in meters only. So length is 1.5 meter, breadth is 1.25 meters, and height we can write as 0.65 meters. Can we write, Satvik?
Yes, sir.
So it is
Sir,
open.
we can take everything as centimeters, right?
Yeah, your wish. You can take centimeter also. So it is opened at the top. So the box is opened at the top. So remember that. You have to write open at the top. So you should keep in your mind the box is opened at the top. It means left, right, front, bottom, and front, back, and bottom is there, but top part is not there. Then the question they're asking is, find the area of sheet required for making the box. The first what is right here, area of sheet required is equals to, Shatvik, tell me what to do.
Sir, length into breadth into height.
Area means length into breadth into height. That is the formula for volume now.
Oh, yes.
So here they're asking area of the sheet required. So how many sides are there? 4 sides are there, and one bottom is there, right? Or you can write here TSA, total surface area.
LSA plus the one side.
You can write TSA or minus also you can do area of top. Correct?
Yes, the one side.
Not one side, area of top only.
Yes, sir. That is.
So TSA of cube, not cube, cuboid, no. This is cuboid. TSA of cuboid minus area of top. So TSA of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL minus area of top is length into breadth. So 2 times of length into breadth, 1.5 into 1.25 plus breadth into height, 1.25 into 0.65 plus.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Sriyanvi, tell me.
I got disconnected, sir, and I can't see the screen, sir.
You can't see the screen.
No, sir. Now I can. Now I can.
All
But
right.
I got disconnected, though.
Fine, fine, all right. So 0.65 into length, that is 1.5, and minus
Yes.
length into breadth, that is 1.5 into 1.25. Is it this, Sriyanvi, is it clear what I write over here? Is it clear, Sriyanvi? No. Can you hear me, Sriyanvi? Okay, fine, children. So 2 into 1.525 into 1.15. The 15 5 is 75. Carry 7. 15 2 is 30. 30 and 7, 37. Carry 3. 15 1s are 15 and 3, 18.
Sir, is there any faster way to multiply, or we can multiply like that only?
You should learn Vedic maths.
Okay, sir.
Faster way, what do you? 15 table you should know. Patapat you should do. That's it. Plus 125 into 65. How to do this one, children? 125 into 65. So this will come 5 5 are 25. 12 5 is 60, 625, and 6. 1 250, 750 will come here. 6 5s are 30, 3. So 5 2
Sir,
1 8. Yeah.
I got disconnected again, sir.
Why it is happening? Shall I send you the WhatsApp code?
I don't know, sir.
Huh? You want WhatsApp code? Sorry, need this code. Zoom code you want?
I'm already. No, I don't need it. I think so.
So here 2 to 4. This is this not point will not come here. 8125 should point will come here in the front. That is 0.8125 plus 15 5s are 75, 7, 15 6 are 90 and 97. So 0.975 minus 18.75. So you can solve, children, all of you can solve this. 2 into 18.75, add this, what you are getting? 1.875, 0.8125, 0.975, 5 2 6 6 2. So 2.6625 minus 80, not 18, this is 1.875. So 2.26625. I'll use calculator over here. 1.875 plus 0.817 0.8125 plus 0.975. It's coming 3 3. This thing is coming. Three will come here. So this multiply by 2. You get 7.325 minus 1.875. 1.875. 1.875. 5.45. You are getting, children, what? 5.45 meter square. Is it clear to everyone, children? What we did is clear to everyone. We just find
Could you
TS.
give me a minute?
Huh?
Could you give me a minute to solve it once?
Acha. Fine, you can just solve. Next part of it is, you're solving in different way, Nihar.
Sir, I got the multiplication as 2.662.
This total surface area.
Yes, sir.
How this you got same only 1.875? You check this part. You are getting the same this one or not?
Yes, sir, that I got, sir.
So 3.6 will come. No, carry 2 will come. The 1 plus 2 is 3. Just check. I also did the same mistake over here.
Okay, sir, I'll check.
Now second part of it is cost of sheet. If sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20. So right here cost of sheet is equals to, how to find cost of sheet, Shreyanvi? How to find cost of sheet?
Yes, sir.
How to find cost of the sheet?
Cost of sheet. You do 5.45 meters square times 2 rupees.
So area into 1 meter square cost, correct?
2 rupees.
Yeah, 5.45 into 20.
Oh, sorry, 2020.
So 5.45 into 20 is equals to, what do you get? 109. 109 rupees you'll get.
Sir,
Okay.
how did we get 5.45?
On subtracting this. On subtracting this, check.
Yes.
5.450 you should get.
Yes, sir.
Pulastya, you got the answer? Pulastya, you got the answer for this?
Understood.
Okay. Saichal, it's clear.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
So next question is, the length, breadth, and height of a room are 5, 4, and 3 meters respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing of walls of the room and ceiling at the rate of ceiling. Also, you should find, children. Ceiling also you should find. You should not find what? You have
So the
to,
floor we have to not find
yeah,
the
length is same type only you should do. Okay. So they are asking cost of whitewashing. They are asking. So what cost of whitewashing is equals to cost of whitewashing is equals to what we should write, children? Cost rate of per meter square, rate of per meter square multiply by what?
the area.
Area of 4 walls including ceiling. Okay, including ceiling. Okay, area of 4 walls including ceiling and ceiling, right? Area of 4 walls and ceiling. This formula is clear to everyone. How I wrote the formula? Rate per square meter I have written. Rate per square meter is what you already know, that is given in the question. That is 7.50 is the per meter square and multiply by area of 4 walls and ceiling. So you can write here 2 into L plus B into H plus ceiling is what? Length into breadth. Is it clear to everyone? After this you can solve easily. Nothing is there in this.
So if ceiling is the length into breadth, right?
Yeah, ceiling is length into breadth.
Okay, sir.
Ceiling is nothing but ground part, you know. See, the basement, base, what your surface is there, no? The surface is always length into breadth, right?
Yes, sir.
So ceiling is also same thing, length into breadth only.
Okay, sir.
So I did it as a 2 LB plus BH plus HL minus LB.
Hello, sir.
Shriyanvi, what happened?
I got disconnected again, sir.
You got the answer?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Shriyanvi, can you hear me?
I got disconnected, sir.
Okay. This you are getting it or not? Question you see?
I haven't seen the question, sir.
Now you can see.
Now I can see it, sir.
So see the question, see the here this room, this is length, breadth, and height is given to you. Height, length, breadth, and height is given over here 5, 4, and 3. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of 7.50 per meter square. So cost of whitewashing is nothing but rate of per meter square into area of 4 walls and ceiling, right? So first you need to find area of 4 walls and ceiling areas and multiply by rate of square per meter. So two ways you can do. Either you first you find the area completely, then you multiply by rate of this per square meter. It's clear, Shriyanvi?
Clear, sir.
So 7.50, 2 into L plus B, 2 into 9 into 3 plus 20. So 7.5 multiply by 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 54 plus 20. 7.5 into 74. Calculator. 7.5 into 74. We are getting 555. Check the answer, children. We are getting rupees 555.
Sir, I have doubts, sir.
Tell which part you are getting doubt.
Sir, I didn't understand how did you get that 2 L plus B H plus LB.
See, area of 4 walls, you know, Satvik. Area of 4 walls, you know.
Yes, sir.
So what I written in green color, that is area of 4 walls.
Yes, sir.
And ceiling, you know, that is your
Okay, okay. Okay, understood, sir.
all right. Anyone is still having doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, next question is, I just give you hint, children. Okay, do it at home. I just give you a hint. Okay, try to do it at home. The floor of a rectangular hall has perimeter to 250 meters. Okay, so what is given, children? What is given the question that you write first? Okay, so here they are saying is floor of rectangular hall has perimeter. The perimeter formula, what is the perimeter formula, Pulastya?
Now, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Yeah, I think it's 250 times the height.
250, 2 into L plus B is equal to 250, right?
Yeah,
So here L plus B we can write, children. L plus B is equals to 125 meters. Can we write this?
Yes, sir.
Because L plus B is 250 divided by 2. Next, this part is clear. First line is clear. From that we got this first part. Okay. Now the second part of it is, if the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square. So cost of painting right here, cost of painting of wall is at the rate of what? Rupees 10 per meter square. Means 1 meter square of painting is your 10 rupees. Okay. And total cost of painting is, total cost of painting is equals to what is given here? 15,000. So 3 things is given to us. First one is perimeter. Second is cost of the painting of wall at the rate of rupees 10 meter per square, and total cost of painting. So 3 things is given in the question. So we have to find height of the wall. Height of the wall. So cost of painting is related to what? Surface area or volume?
Surface area.
Surface area.
Surface area only.
And that is nothing but lateral surface area, right, children?
Sir, if it costs 10
Sir.
rupees per meter square, then we have to divide 15,000 by 10, 1500.
Yeah. First you write the formula, how to find the total cost of the wall, means painting of the wall. Okay, we have to write what? LSA of wall. LSA of wall is equals to what? 2 into L plus B into H, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, we can take H as X.
Let it be H only. What is there in that?
Okay,
So if you are multiplying, if you write here LSA into cost of painting of wall at the rate of 10 rupees per meter square. If you're multiplying LSA with this cost, we'll get what? Total cost of painting. Is it clear or not, children? Don't remember any formula. Don't remember any formula. How to find total cost, you know or not? Tell me, children, how to find the total cost? Simply what we are doing is, we are finding LSA multiplying by to cost of the painting of wall at the rate per meter square, means 1 meter square cost. 1 meter square cost is equals to total cost of the painting. This line is cleared or not, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now what is given to you, that you just try to put over here. 2 into L plus B. If you want to find, first you find LSA only, okay? 1 minute.
So we can substitute that for the from the first line, right?
Yeah, you can substitute directly, no problem.
250H.
1 minute. It's coming from that side. What?
Sir, first we need to find 1 meter per square rupees is
What?
1 meter per meter square.
1 meter square cost is rupees 10 is given, no. But how much LSA will be there? Just multiply with 10. You'll get total cost. See here, 2 into L plus B. Total is equals to what is given? 250 is given to us.
Yes, sir.
Multiply by height, right? That's it. Over. This is in meter square. So instead of LSA, what we can write? 250H multiply by 10 is equals to 15,000. Correct, children?
Yes, sir.
So H is equals to what we can write
Yes, sir.
here? What is in multiplication? Send to division over here.
1,000 of 15,000 by 2,500.
250 into 10. Don't multiply anything. Simply just try to cancel. So 25 6 150. So H is equals to 6 meters. This is your answer.
Yes, sir. I got this.
The children who is having doubt here, Satvik, Sai Ritvik, just tell me if you're having doubt. So no need to remember any kind
We
of
just did
formula.
cancellation, right, sir? 250H into 10 is equal to 15,000 cancellation, right?
Yeah. So this
Okay, sir.
formula you should
I
not
have-
remember. This is automatically you should know. No need to remember this formula. You should know that how to find the cost of the wall. Suppose,
What is the L, sir?
L is lateral surface area now. LSA. Suppose some painter is coming to your house and he is charging rupees 10 rupees per meter square. So what do you do? What do you do, children?
Sir, could you repeat the question?
So can you repeat?
Can you repeat the question, sir?
What I'm saying that some painter come to your house, you have to paint only for your walls, okay? If he is charging 10 rupees per meter square, then how you will pay the money to him?
Sir, LSA into
Sir, LS into the cost.
Yeah, so first you find total lateral surface area, right? How to
Yes,
find
sir.
lateral surface area? You can do by yourself only. At home, just meter scale, you just take it, length, breadth, and height you find, and you can use the formula 2 into L plus B.
Sir, floor and ceiling, if we add, then it comes under TSA, right?
Floor and ceiling, yeah, if you add LSA plus floor and ceiling, then it's coming TSA, yes.
Okay, sir.
But here then the question they're asking only about 4 walls, okay? So LSA multiply by, this is not the different formula. Why I'm just asking you this question? Because you can correlate at least what is going over here. Understood? What we have done here. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Just moving to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Next question is question number 4. The paint in a certain container. The paint in the certain container is sufficient to paint an equal area of 9.735 meters square. Okay. Suppose you are having a container. Okay. Suppose you are first, what is given to you, that you just draw. This is your container. Okay. In this container, you are having 9.375, means you can paint. The paint of a certain container is sufficient to paint how much? This much you can paint by the help of this container. Okay. You are having one container, and by the help of container, how much you can paint? You can paint 9.375 meters square of area. So how many bricks of dimension? This is given. Brick dimension, I'm writing here. Brick dimension is equals to brick dimension is equals to length. You write first. Length is equals to 22.5 centimeter. Breadth is equals to 10 centimeter. And height is equals to 7.5 centimeter. This is your brick dimension. Okay. Can be painted out of this container. A paint of a certain container. This container is full of paint. This container is full of paint. By the help of this container, what you can do? You can paint this much area. So how many bricks of this dimension can be painted out of this container? Okay. What you can do, children? See, this is the total area of the paint. This is the total area of the paint, correct? And this one is what? This is a brick dimension, right? If you
Yes.
find what? If you find TSA of the brick, because you have to paint the brick, right? So how many bricks of this kind? How many bricks of this kind you can paint by the help of this container? Is it clear? Question is clear, children, or not? Question is clear
So
or not?
instead of multiplying, we can just add it. I mean, cancel it.
See what we can do. This area, what the paint area part should be equal to number of bricks into TSA of each brick. See, I'm writing here. Paint area is equals to number of bricks multiplied by TSA of each brick. This formula is clear or not, children? First you tell me, formula is clear or not?
Yes, sir,
Paint
it's clear.
area. Paint area.
Sir, I think we need to find by multiplying 22.5 and 10 and 7.5 and divide it with 9.375.
Why you are doing like that?
Sir, because to find out.
Simply, this formula you understanding or not? See the formula, then you can just understand the what you should
So we
multiply,
can
what you should
render
divide.
number of bricks to X, right?
Yeah, let you just write first line is that let the number of bricks be X. Let the number of bricks be X. Is it clear, children, or not? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So paint area is equals to number of bricks multiplied by TSA. Suppose one brick is there. Okay, how many bricks we doesn't know. Suppose X bricks are there this much, and one paint is there. This only paint you should use to paint this bricks. So we don't know number of bricks. So what we should do? This paint area is written here and total number of bricks is here. TSA of each brick is here. It's clear or not, children? If you understand the concept, you can do that. Is it clear to everyone or not?
Yes, sir.
Who is not able to understand the concept? Because this is only thinking part. You can think and do. Is it clear to everyone, children?
So that paint can only paint 9.375 meters square, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But that paint can paint so many bricks, but we don't know number of bricks, right?
Yes, sir.
So this paint area multiply this paint area should be equal to total surface area of brick. But how many bricks? Number of bricks. We don't know that. Suppose here is one brick, here is one brick, here is one brick, one brick, one brick. And this paint part is there. No, this paint you can use over here. Understood? It means number of brick into TSA of each brick. It's clear or not? Not getting, no, Satvik?
Yes, I understood, sir.
See, the complete whole paint is sufficient to paint how many bricks? So we don't know number of bricks. So one brick area multiplied by number of bricks over. Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Sai Ritvik, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
So paint area here we can write it as Pulastya. It's clear, no? Pulastya, is it clear what we are doing over here? But remember, children, here this is one is given in centimeter, one is given in meters. So to convert this meter square to centimeter square. Pulastya, what to do? How to convert meter square to centimeter square? Pulastya,
You have to 10,000.
multiply by
10,000.
10,000. So meter to centimeter, children, meter to centimeter is 100 centimeter. And meter square to centimeter square is equals to 100 into 100. So right here 100 into 100 centimeter. Is it clear to everyone, children? Don't apply this formula meter to centimeter formula. You should multiply 2 times because this is centimeter square is there, no? So meter square will convert into centimeter square. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now we can write as paint area as 9.375 multiply by 100 into 100 is equals to x into 22.5 into 10.
Sir, is the answer 100 bricks?
I don't know. I should solve them. You solved already.
I'm getting 100 bricks, sir.
You solved.
Yes, sir. I'm seeing. I should
How?
check.
Tell
Okay.
me what I should do. See the here. See the board. Don't see notebook. See
Sir,
the-
first I multiplied 2 in LH plus BH plus that formula I use, sir, for LSA.
Achha,
then-
here we should not use here.
Sir, you took the volume. of-
Yeah, this we should not take. Yes. So first we have to find TSA. TSA means 2 LB.
So that's what I took, sir. TSA I took.
Sir, so we shouldn't multiply it with 9.375. We should just leave it as is.
Yeah, don't multiply. Don't make it complicated.
Oh, okay.
So here the same thing will come 9.375 multiply by 100 multiply by 100 is equals to x into 2 LB. It becomes 22.5 into 10 plus 10 into 7.5 plus 7.5 into 22.5. So x multiply by 2 into 22.5 into 10, 225 plus 75 plus what will come, Satvik? 7.5 into 22.5. What do you get?
What I got is 168.75.
16.
8.75.
On adding all this, what you will get? X into 2 into what?
468.75.
Now we can do easily, right? So what to do, children? X is equals to what we can write here? 9.375 multiply by 100 into 100 divided by 2 into 468.75. Understood, everyone? What I've did here? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now see, numerator part after point 3 digits are there, and denominator part after point 2 digits are there. We should multiply here by what? 10. Understood or not? I don't think you have understood this, right, Sahil?
Yes, sir. I'm not able to get that one when you shifted the uh,
Point part, right?
LHS. Yes, sir.
See here what I did here. You can do in this way. If you're not understanding, you can do this. If you remove this point, here 100 will come, correct? That understanding, Sahil?
Yes, sir.
And if you remove this one, you'll get 1000 over here, correct? Because after point, how many digits are there that you should see? That much zero you should
Yes,
put.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now you can put crossing over here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you have to
So we
solve
have
the-
to multiply above also, no?
Yeah, but your cancellation is better now.
No, what I'm telling is, sir, you have converted 46 468.75 into this
2.
46875. So we have to multiply both the tens above and below, right? Or only below.
Above and below both I did now. See, I multiplied this by 100 here, and here I multiply with 1000.
Okay, sir.
So now we cancel here by 25 table. You can just 25 table. You
Below
can
it should be 100 only, no? Because there's only 2 digits.
down it 2 digits. That's why I written up 100, and numerator is 3 digits. That's why I written 1000.
Sir, 468.75 into 2 is 9.375, sir.
Yeah, you can cancel it off. What happened, Nihar?
Sir, I'm not able to understand that thing, sir.
Which part? That zero concept you are not understanding.
Yes, sir, that only I have problem.
See, the denominator you see after point, how many digits are there? 2.
Yes, sir, 2.
So numerator side we have put 2 zeros over here. It's clear.
Yes, sir, that is clear.
But numerator part you see there are three digits after point. So we
Yes.
have put here 3 zeros. So what is your doubt?
Okay, we have converted that also. Okay, sir.
Sir, I've gotten 100 bricks.
Huh? 100 bricks,
Sir, I
right?
I got
think you
100
did
bricks.
wrong, sir.
Huh? What is wrong?
Sir, means here x into 2 into 468.75 means 9.375 into 100 into 100 equals to n into 9.375, right, sir?
See now, children, what you can do 3 to 5 point.
So we can cancel off the 2
Sir.
and the 10. And then 9.375 into 5 is 46875. 9375 and 9375 will cancel. 100 into 3
Yeah,
is
yeah.
100
You can
bricks.
cancel by small things. What do you do now? 25 fours are 100. Okay. Then 25 ones are 25. 11 fours are 100. 18 5 are 75.
Sir, actually here the 468.75 into 2 that should come up, and the numerator should come in the denominator, I think.
Here x is there, no? So you should send this to only denominator, no man. Sai Charan. Here x is there. So you should send this only that side now.
Yes, sir, I got 100.
Yeah, you should get 100. 100 you got.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer there? Check once.
So, okay, sir.
Hundred is the answer. Yes, correct. Here you can do 2 5s are 10. And 25 table 4 6 8 7 5. So this will get 1875. 1875. Okay. Now 1875
Yes, so it's 100 only given behind.
Pfizer. I will get x is equals to 100. X is equals to 100. Satvik, you solved before only this question.
Yes, sir. Like last week, me and my mother solved.
Your mother solved, but today.
No,
you
ma'am.
solved by
No, sir. I
yourself.
only solved. Like I was just saying textbook, and my mother was like just saying me how to do. Like
Today you solved or
form.
not? That you tell before you leave out.
What, sir?
Today you solved this question or not?
So today also I solved, sir.
Referring last one.
Not like referring, sir. Like only I took those multiplication or those before ones.
If you see old questions, then it's difficult to you only. You can do right now, but
Okay.
exam time will just see here and there. Remember that. If you are not understanding, simply Sriyan, it's clear. Sai Ritvik, Sai Charan, it's clear or not?
For me, it's clear, sir.
Sir,
Okay, next question is cubical box. Cubical box has an edge. Just write on the first write all of this thing. Data is what is given over here. A cubical box has an edge 10 centimeter, another cuboidal. So the one cubical is there, one cuboidal is there. Right here, cubical side is equals to what? 10 centimeter. And cuboidal length is equals to 12.5 centimeter. Breadth is
So
equals
what is
to
it?
10 centimeter.
So what is the difference between cubical and cuboidal?
Cubical is all sides are equal, and cuboidal is length, breadth, height. All three are different.
Okay. For cubical, all the three dimensions are equal, right?
Yeah, length, breadth, height. All three are equal.
Okay, sir.
So in the question, they are asking which box has greater lateral surface area and by how much? And second question, which box has smaller total surface area and by how much? So this you can do it at home, children. LSA you can find for both. You can find LSA for this one and LSA for this one. Okay. Then if which box has greater, that you should subtract greater one minus smaller one. Then second box we will find TSA, and here also find TSA. Anyone having doubt in this question, children?
No, sir.
You can do it at home. Satvik. Okay, now next question is
Sir, I'll try, sir.
what try? This is
Sir, I can do, sir.
not try, you should do, because this is very.
I will do, sir.
Now sixth question is a small indoor greenhouse herbarium is made entirely of glass panes, including base held together with tape. You know how the herbarium looks like this aquarium, like you have seen aquarium, no? So small greenhouse herbarium is made entirely of glass panes, including held together tape. Means you are mentioning tape over there. Tape means you don't know what is you are doing tape. With tape, what you do? Try to understand here. This is one part, and this is your herbarium. This drawing over herbarium over here. So this is herbarium. Okay. So I'm mentioning our green tape over here. See how I'm mentioning green tape? One tape here, one tape here, one tape here, one tape here. Let me just read the question first. So first I'll write here length is 30 centimeter. Breadth is 25 centimeter. And height is 25 centimeter. What is the area of glass? Area of glass you can find easily, children, right? Area of glass we have to find LSA or TSA, Sai Charan.
sir, TSA, sir.
Because glass is completely packed, so we can find TSA of glass. So that is nothing but 2 into.
So in the second one, we need to do like for length, there are 4 sides.
Wait
And-
for 1 minute, Sai Charan. First we not finish, then we'll move to the second one. If I ask, you can tell. Now you tell me. Tell me the second answer. How much tape is required? Tell me now.
So it means we need to do it like there are 4 lengths and 4 widths and 4 heights.
Yeah,
425 into 4 and 25.
exactly. So see, just this green one I put, no children. This green one I put. The green one is nothing but your tape only, okay? So this is coming 4 times, right? So right here, length of tape, length of tape is equals to what I should write? Pulastya Satapati.
Sir, but there's nothing. There's a lot of other sides, right, sir? The green
Wait,
part
wait
is
for
only
1 minute.
half.
We are not finished. Wait, Sai Ritvik, 1 minute.
Oh, okay, sir.
Pulastya, what we should write for length of the tape completely? I can't hear you, Pulastya. Can you tell me?
Sir, I'm not getting this, sir.
Pulastya, can you get this? See what we are doing.
Now can you hear me?
Yeah, very less, but tell me now.
You have to use the breadth, and
Okay.
you have to use the breadth, and you have to multiply it by 4.
So what I should write here? Length of the tape, what I should write over here?
100.
100.
Yeah.
What you should write over here? Length of the tape is equal to what? 100.
Oh wait. Yeah, 100 centimeter, like 1 meter.
See children, what to do here is, Nihar, all of you just try to understand what I'm doing right now. Length of all the 12 sides. So we are getting, see, this one part is length. So this part is length. What is green color? That is length. I'm writing here, green color part is length. Green color is length. And how many length are coming? 4 length, right? Now I'm doing over here breadth wise. I'll just,
Oh, I just got a bit confused.
yeah. Now I just do with breadth. So this is your breadth, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many breadths are coming, children, here? This is your which color? Pink. You just think pink color is how much? This is breadth. And how much breadth is coming? 4. Now if you consider which color I should take? Yellow, just think. Yellow is height. So here 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Professor,
Yes, Rianvi.
I got disconnected, sir.
Yeah, till which question you understood, Rianvi? Hmm?
I don't know, sir. I got disconnected for a long time.
This sixth question, you no, this one, just read the question once.
The sixth one.
Yeah, sixth one, just try to understand.
Okay.
First part is clear. How to find herbarium will be there, Sriyanvi.
Yes, sir.
Because we have to find only total surface area of the glass, right?
Yeah.
Second part is they're asking length of the tape. Herbarium, we are using tape, right? So here I have used, see, green color I have used green color. I have used pink color, and I have used 3 colors we are using: green for length, pink for breadth, and yellow for height. So everything is repeating 4 times, correct, Sriyanvi? If you see the herbarium over here, all are repeating 4 times or not? Can you hear me, Shriyanvi?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yeah.
So length of the tape is in the 4L plus 4B plus 4H. We have taken here 4 common, and we are getting L plus B plus H, and we are getting the answer as 320. Children, any one of you having doubt in this? Any one of you?
No doubt, sir.
Nihar, now it's clear.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Satvik,
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Sai Ritvik, it's clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So here everything is repeating 4 times, length, breadth, and height. So we have to multiply 4 with everything. Now the next question is, I'm just giving hint, okay, children. 4th and 5th are giving hint. You can do it from home, okay? See, the question is, Santi Sweets stall was placing an order for making cardboards, for packing their sweets. 2 sizes of boxes were required. So one is bigger dimension and one is smaller dimension. 2 dimensions they are using, okay? For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeters square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. So children, don't fear by seeing the question. What you should do is, first of all, what is given in the question, that you just make one note, okay? The first you write here 2 parts, you can just write here. First you write here bigger dimension, you write bigger dimension. Bigger dimension. Automatically you will get the answer. If you write bigger dimension, write here length, breadth, and height. Then you write here a smaller dimension. A smaller dimension. So length, breadth, and height. Okay, children. So here write 25 centimeter, 20 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. This part is 15, 12, and 5. 15, 12, and 5 centimeter. I hope this much is clear to everyone. The simple thing I just written here for bigger dimension, bigger box dimension, and smaller box dimension. So till 3rd line we have written over here. Nothing is there in this 3rd line. All this 3rd line is coming under this 2 part. Now next part is for all the overlaps. They are making boxes. Boxes means, you can think, children, total surface area will come of the box. The total surface area of the bigger box, can you find? Total surface area of bigger box. We can do easily. And here also you can write total surface area of a smaller box. Leave about overlaps right now. First you find total surface area, then we have to add 5% extra on it. Is it clear to everyone? So total surface area of the box is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So right here 2 into LB, 25 into 20 plus 20 into 5 plus 5 into 25. So you'll get 2 into 500 plus 100 plus 125. 2 into 500, 600, 725.
Hello?
Yeah. What
Sir?
happened? Yeah.
Hello, sir?
Yes, Sriyanvi, tell me. Can you hear me, Sriyanvi?
Yes, sir. I can hear you now, sir. I just got disconnected, sir, again.
See, what I'll do now, from next class, I'll send you the Zoom meeting directly, okay? You join by Zoom meeting directly, okay? Sriyanvi? Is it clear what I'm saying to you? It's clear, Shianvi? I'll send the Zoom meeting directly to you from the next class. Okay. So this answer is 1450 centimeter square. Is it clear to everyone, children here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 2 LB plus BH plus LH. So 2 into LB, that is 15 into 12 plus 12 into 5 plus 5 into 15. So you can write it as 2 into
630, sir.
huh?
630.
Okay, 150 into 30, 180. We'll do a step by step. You are super fast. Huh, Sai Charan? Now you tell me what we can do. 240 plus 75. Inside, tell me, children. Sai Charan, now you.
315.
315. So 630 we are getting, right?
Yes, sir.
Now they are asking here as 5% total surface area extra. Now you can add this and this both. Okay. And you can find 5% extra on it. You can find that.
Yes, sir. Into 5 by
I can
100.
understand that part, sir, the 5% part.
5% you're not understanding. See, you have went to any marriage ceremony and you have packed any box sweet. That plain thing will come. No, box sheet will come in like this one. See,
Yes, sir.
it will be plain. It will be like this will come. This sweet will come and you have to turn it back and should make a box by the help of this. Okay. The some area will get overlapped. Understood what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
on overlapping part, this is taking 5% extra to that.
Sir, for each box, sir.
Yeah, for each box they are given here now. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. And you have to find for 250 boxes, right?
Yes, sir. We need to multiply into 250.
And you can here only you can do it. TSA of 250 you can write here. TSA of 250 bigger boxes without overlapping. Right now we are doing. Okay. Is equals to what you can write? 1450 into 250.
362,500.
You have
What
multiplied.
is 250, sir? Where did we get 250?
See here, 250 boxes are there, no? That one.
Oh, okay.
So this is centimeter square, right? So this is the part for what? 250 boxes.
Bigger.
Again, for this smaller also you can find
Yes.
TSA of 250
Into 630.
smaller boxes.
157500.
630 into 250. What you are getting?
157500.
Okay. This is not working. 1 minute.
Can I go to the washroom?
What happened?
Can I go to the washroom?
Huh?
Can I go to the washroom?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Okay. So this is a part for second smaller this one, right? I'm just this is the
Yes.
first smaller one and this is for bigger one. Now add both. You should add both now, right?
Yes, sir. And multiply it with 5 by 100.
So right here TSA of bigger and 250 sets, bigger and smaller boxes is equals to 362500 plus 157500. Add this, what you'll get?
52,000.
53.
No, sir. 52 4 zeros.
4 zeros.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is centimeter square. Now we can do 5% extra, right? The 5% extra means what you should write here?
5 by 100.
5 by 100.
into
Okay.
520.
So 0, 0 will get cancelled over here. So just 5 is a 25, 260. Again 200, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is extra. Now, what they're asking in the question. Now total becomes what? You add this both. Total area with 5% extra. Correct? So 524 times 0 plus 26000. So what you will get here?
54640.
54640.
Yes.
4 zeros or 3 zeros.
Oh, sorry, sir. 30.
Okay.
Why are we adding 5,000? This 52,444 plus 26. That
Because extra is also coming into that only now. This price is extra. Total is,
yes, so we have to add the extra part also. Okay, sir.
yeah. So here we got extra part and they're asking find the cost of cardboard. Yes, Triyanvi is having in this thing. Now see, 4 rupees 4 for 1000 centimeters square this cost. So how to find? This is the total. This is the total area of the box, right? So this you can use unitary method. Okay, unitary method.
Yes, sir.
How
4
to-
into 54,630 by 1000.
See 1000 centimeters square. We are getting 4 rupees, right? So here
Yes.
they're asking 546,000.
Sir, it's 4 into 546.
And x you write here. So
5,000.
if you find x, you should get what?
546,300 into 4 by 1000.
Divided by 1000. So 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. And what is getting the answer? 6 4s are 24. 4 4s are 16. 18.
2184.
Huh?
2184.
2184 will come. 2184. That's it. Time. So this is what? This is the cost. This is the cost of what?
Cost of 250. No, sir.
Cost of cardboard is.
Cost of 1000 centimeters square per 4 rupees.
This is the cost of cardboard. 2,184 rupees you should get.
For 250 boxes, sir.
For 250 sets, bigger as well as smaller. So like this, it's coming, right, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir, I
yeah.
did for 500, sir.
So we also did for 500 only now. What we did for 250.
No, sir.
So we have the separate we did and we have done. Is it clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Very good. Then shall we close the meeting for today? Just try everything. It's all are easy, but it looks complicated. But concepts are easy. Okay, children, all of you can leave for the day. Thank you all. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.